Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the avatar page temporarily unavailable or failed to load recent item. Usually it's occurred due to Roblox server are busy, unstable internet, app cache or avatar editor system temporary bug. So what you are going to do is we are going to fix those issues. So for that you need to enter into your avatar and you need to redraw if it's not loading correctly. Just press to redraw to correct it, and also you can press Ctrl plus F5 to refresh and retry the browser. So once it's done, please click three dot icon and enter into clear browsing data, and here what we are going to do is we are going to clear the cache and cookies. So please click clear data, and if you are using application Roblox application, in the sense you need to press Windows R. Once you press Windows R, you need to search for percentage temp percentage for catch folder and then click OK. Here you need to find the Roblox folder and you need to delete the folder. Yeah, once it's done, please check the server status. For that you need to enter into your browser and search for status.roblox.com and click the Roblox status link. Over there, if it shows, yeah, it shows like all system are operational, so there is no issue, it's good to go. If in case it's had any issue, please wait a moment to solve the issue from server side. Once it's done, please restart your system and check. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.